Hello everyone. Welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP question and answer. What are the varied events associated with screen programming? The following are the events associated with screen programming. Process before output. This event gets proceed long before displaying the screen. Process after input. This event it proceed while the interaction of a user with the screen continues. Process on help. This event gets processed on request by a user after pressing F1. The program gets approximately coded in various event blocks. This present screen gets produced by the system. Process on value. This gets proceed by pressing F4 by user. Here also the coding can be done in the various event blocks. Thank you for watching.